Hello everyone, today I want to make a different type of video than the ones I usually make. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and making a tutorial on this terminal. So anyways, let's get started. You may have heard of the older version of the Mercado Pago point line. The previous version connected via a headphone jack and had some other significant changes. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the new and improved Point Blue terminal. Before I start, I will be making a brief introduction and explanation for this product. This video will also include a list of items in the package, tutorial and example, charge with a debit card, and the unboxing. If you would like to see that terminal, you will need a device which has Android 4.4 or higher or iOS 9 or higher. Optionally, a bank account to receive your funds, and the Point Blue terminal. This terminal is very useful for starters who want to be able to charge their customers via debit, credit, or other accepted vouchers and cards. This is much more useful for starters since it's easier to use and cheaper to work with. Bank terminals often require official documents that small informal businesses may not count with, and may also charge a large fee which wouldn't be affordable to small businesses. In comparison, the Point Blue terminal only charges a 3.5% fee plus taxes, and requires no minimum monthly sales or a monthly payment. This may be subject to how you are charging though, which I will talk about later. The Point Blue has a minimum amount to charge of 5 Mexican pesos, and a maximum of 200,000 per card. This device is Bluetooth, which allows easier use. The device accepts both magnetic and chip cards. In comparison, this new device requires for the customer to enter the NIP, which makes it much more secure for both the customer and for you. Once you reach the minimum amount of 25 pesos, you will be able to deposit your funds, which are on your Mercado Pago account, to your bank account in around 1 business day. You may also use your balance to pay bills, pay your phone, buy gift cards, or other products from Mercado Libre. The price varies, but at the time of recording, it is around 500 pesos. But I have a discount code which will allow you to get a 250 peso discount. Link in the description. Through the app, you can list your products, so you only have to select them, which is pretty useful. You may also send a copy of your bill to your customer via SMS or email. You may set a business name which will appear on the customer's card statements. It has a maximum of 13 characters and will look like this. You may also choose to charge your customer in monthly installments of up to 12 months. This, however, could change the fee up to 12% plus taxes. You may use this product on almost all Mexican debit and credit cards and vouchers within Mexico. Anyways, let's get to unboxing. This package includes the terminal, stickers and ads, and a micro USB charging cable. Here's the box where the terminal comes in. As you can see, it comes with a referral paper that you may use to invite your friends. In the front page of the box, you can see the image of the terminal and all the cards it accepts and vouchers. It also shows the features it has, and on the side you can see that it has a year of warranty, which is protected, and a little instruction manual thing, which is just in the back of the box, but there's still one inside the box, more detailed one of how to install it. As you open the box, you can see there's this little blue envelope package thing where you can see a bunch of stickers and items you may use to place in your store to represent that you have the availability to charge with cards or vouchers. This is useful since, for example, maybe your customers don't know that you can accept this and will bring more representation to your bank. There are several stickers here, one representing the monthly installments, others representing, for example, this little blue sticker which just says that you have the product, and this foldable ad thing that represents the monthly installments too, and that you accept American Express, MasterCard, and Visa. Just fold the little flap down, take the instruction manual out, make sure it's placed correctly into the little hole, and there you go, you can place it anywhere in your store. instruction manual says basically how to connect the device to your phone, and a little bit about how to charge credit cards or debit cards. Let's get this out of the way and get to the device itself. As you can see, here's a box which the device comes in. We can see the device and the micro USB cable. First, let's see on the device. It comes wrapped in a little plastic thingy. So let's get it out. It has a numpad where you can place a nip. The customer can place a nip, and some other buttons to reject or accept transactions, and the power button. It has a really good grip on your hand and can fit in the palm of your hand, and the buttons are rubberized, which makes it much better tactile feel. This is a micro USB cable which plugs in on the side and can plug into either some type of outlet or your computer. So you can see here's the device, and let's turn it on. If you cannot see the screen well, it's just a basic launching state, which isn't really special at all. It's just indicating that it has turned on. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please leave a like down below, and also share any questions you have or details you might have on the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.